Click the ResiBuddy menu, Search Receipts. This opens the search interface. Type a keyword or year, then press Enter or the magnifier icon. With ResiBuddy Basic, the search feature searches only the folder name or the year if it is provided. Without a year, the search year defaults to the current year. Filter the results by typing any keyword in the Filter Results box. Refreshing the search cache ensures the latest database records are returned in the search results. With strict mode toggled on, search ensures both the keyword and the year are in the folder name. With it toggled off, search matches either the keyword or the year. From the search interface, you can add tags if you have the Pro version. Editing and deleting receipt records are basic features, which are showcased in a separate tutorial.